Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make faux beef balls. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of very lean ground beef, 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Also, have on hand 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Don't forget a bowl of ice water for later steps. Next, combine your ground beef with the baking soda, sugar, and black pepper in a food processor. Add the tapioca starch and fish sauce. Process this mixture until it forms a very smooth, sticky paste. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once smooth, transfer the paste to a bowl, cover it, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to firm up. Now it's time to form the beef balls. Have your bowl of ice water ready. Take small, even portions of the chilled beef paste, about 1 tablespoon each. Gently roll the paste between your palms to create smooth, round balls. As you form each ball, immediately drop it into the bowl of ice water. This helps them maintain their shape. Finally, let's cook these delicious beef balls. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Carefully add the formed beef balls to the simmering water. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they float to the surface and feel firm to the touch. Drain them well and add them directly to your hot faux broth for a truly authentic experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.